very big case. Stage leaves at 3:30. I was going to come tell you, Adam.
It's all right. I understand. You still can't stand to look at me, can you? Bye, Father.
Pastor Sue?
No, it's me.
I'll take the 2 o'clock class.
What?
I said I'll take the 2 o'clock class.
Are you sure you feel up to it?
I'm sure. We don't have much time left in Walnut Grove, but what time we do have, I want to spend with my children.
There's no hurry. Pastor Sue and I can take care of everything.
Adam, I want to teach. I want to think about somebody else besides myself.
I had a talk with my father.
How soon does he want us to leave?
That's what I want to talk to you about. Father wanted us to leave on the stagecoach this afternoon. I might as well tell you the truth. I've been having second thoughts about this. I know you had your heart set on going to New York. But I just think we're needed more here. So I told my father to go on without us. Mary, I know it's not being fair to you.
Adam! Fair! It's what I wanted all along.
You swear?
Oh, I swear. I swear. I've got you. I've got my family. And I've got my children. The sound of my children. I love you. We best go down there and start teaching our children.
Which president signed the Constitution? Thomas?
Washington and... I don't know.
Well, you will. We're going to study all 19 presidents. That's what we're here for. And that's what you are going to learn if it takes Mrs. Kendall and I the rest of our lives.